Hello guys, happy Sunday to you all. I wish you all a good Sunday. I bring up this for you guys because it's legit and trusted for you guys to earn some money, okay? All you just need is your smartphone and internet connection with a minimum deposit of like 2k, any amount you want to deposit, and you start earning on this platform. So this platform is all about game, okay, where you can play a game of your favorite games and earn some cool cash. Okay, so we have a lot of games here. People that are into football, you can see penalty shootouts, and you want to play ludo, we have dice, we have wingo. I want to go with one of my favorite game, which is the mines. Okay, so when I click on it, it's gonna open. I will show you guys how to play with the mines and win some cash. So look at my balance now. I have 10,100 naira and 1,182 naira. So the most interesting part in this, you can bet with 50 naira, 100 naira, any amount you want, like 1,000, 2,000, any amount is your choice. So we have 25 boxes here. Okay, 21s are diamond and 4 are bomb. So what you just need to do is that make sure the any box you are selecting here must be diamond. When you select you're gonna fail, so you have to choose wisely. And you have an option here down here, which is the mines option here, which you can select how many bomb you want to include. You can change it to one, but for my better understanding, the one is not going to give you much what you want. Okay, you can increase it to 10 to 20, and how you want it is your choice, but I'm going to leave my own in 4. So we have an option here to do auto pick. Okay, when you place your bets, you can auto pick it. Okay, it's gonna bid for you, but if you think like, yeah, you want to go for yourself, then you can do it yourself. So I want to start the game with 100 naira. Okay, I'm gonna place some bets, and let me show you how the auto key works. So just click on the auto key, auto pick, I mean, so it picks for you. So if you want to continue with it again, but if you feel like maybe you just want to click it yourself, so I'm going to click it myself. Okay, that's my 2. So you have an option to cash out 135 naira, which you bet 100 naira. So I'm not going to cash out, I'm going to go with another click, okay, which is 164. You can be seeing your balance here if you want to. So I'm going to click on that one again, which I have 200. So now I bet the game with 100 naira and I got 200 to cash out. So imagine now I bet this game with 1000. That means I'm going to be having 2k. You see, the higher you stake, the higher you're going to gain from this app. So I'm going to click on cash out. You see that my balance have now been increased to 10,218 naira. So this is how this game works. So for you to start this game, you really need a minimum deposit, okay, like a deposit of at least 2k, and there is a chance that you can stand to get extra 5,000. That's 100% bonus on your first deposit if you start from the amount like 5k above. Okay, so you're gonna get 100% deposit. If you're depositing 2k, they're gonna add you 100 naira, which is 10%, and you're depositing 3,000, which is 30%. But if you want to go for 100%, you got to go for the 5k. Okay, so I'm gonna click on withdraw, okay, to show you how to withdraw money in case you want to withdraw it. We have an option to put the amount you want, and then click on withdraw to. Okay, when you click on withdraw to, it's gonna take you where you can fill your account details. Okay, and that's cool. You fill your account details here, you have no issue. You're gonna get your money within some minutes when you click on withdraw. So I'm going to cancel it. So this is how it works. So we have a share button here which you can click. When you click on share, okay, you have an option to copy your invitation link over here. So this is just my new account, and I started ending this. I started earning 10,000, guys. So you know that it's legit. I just created this account today and I have my 10k based on my betting stuff like that. So I'll just click on your invitation code, and the most interesting part here is that the more you invite people, the more you're going to gain from this app. Trust me, anybody you invite, they make their first deposit, you're going to get your commission, and as they are playing too, is still be earning your commission. So it's kind of like a part-time job, let me say a side job for you to just do, that can give you, that's not going to affect your main job. So you can just catch up, guys, with this one. Click on the link in the comment section below to register. Okay, don't forget. Okay, and if you need any question to ask on any explanation, I'm gonna give you. Okay, I owe you a lot of explanation if you need, so just chat me up and I'm gonna show you how to play again. If maybe you don't understand it, just click on the link in the comment section, register, and make your first deposit. Start enjoying your money. If you have any question, like I said, contact me directly. Thank you.